Hello, my name is Fionn Crombie Angus, and I am a heritage in schools expert. It's a lovely day today, and I want to be out in nature, but I don't have to go far. I am going to BioBlitz my back garden. BioBlitz is made up of two words. Bio meaning life, blitz meaning fast. A BioBlitz is when people write the names of plants and animals in a particular area over a short period of time. Here's the equipment I'm going to use. You don't need all of this for your own BioBlitz, but it could come in handy. I have bird food, a pair of binoculars to see animals up close, and an insect pot, identification books, and a pop-up tent for making a bird blind. The tent opens up like magic. I'm all cozy inside. All we have to do now is wait for the birds to come. These are some of the birds I have seen in my garden. The greenfinch, bullfinch, chaffinch, goldfinch, coal-tit, blue-tit, great-tit, long-tailed tit, wren, rook, jackdaw, magpie, hooded crow, starling, house sparrow, robin, song thrush, blackbird, pied wagtail, swallow, wood pigeon, rock dove, collar's dove. Now it's time to focus our attention on insects. The most exciting group of animals to look for in nature is the mammals. My garden has walls, so we don't get many wild furry animals in it. On summer evenings, bats catch insects above my garden. This is a camera trap, though it only captures pictures. In the woodland down a nearby lane, I caught photos of a fox, a pine mountain, and a badger. A few weeks ago, I caught a little creature in my pantry with the trap. I put chocolate in for bait, and a pygmy shrew walked right in. I brought it 2 kilometers away and I set it free. Lastly, I write down the names of all the animals I've seen: birds, invertebrates, and mammals. Look at how fast I'm writing. I was born to BioBlitz. You can find out a lot about animals on the internet. Here are some useful websites that I use for my BioBlitz, and some photos in the presentation came from these. Thank you for joining me on this BioBlitz. I hope you enjoy BioBlitzing your own back garden.